That's bad breath.
Okay, it's recording.
You didn't see nothing.
You gotta see my mouth again. That was the weirdest thing ever, man.
Well, I haven't introduced you to me yet. My name. Oops. My name is Mr. Anthony. And I like bugs. I like bugs. Oh God!
Show him your brown eyes.
Wanna see up? Oh my God! No! What are you doing? Wanna see up my nose? Do I have boogers? Stop, trash. Boogers. It stopped. Oh, never mind. This is my doggy buddy. He's my bestest buddy. What you didn't, what you saw didn't mean anything. So, with that, oh, I'm stuck. Hold on, I'm coming. With that, I say moo! Moo! Let's get retarded in here. Whoa, I go back really fast. Watch go. Oh wait, I went the wrong way. You don't see me. I'm like a ball of speeding light. Whoosh. Moo, 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 moo. Ah, drink! No! A job, bitch, yeah. Hey! Don't hurt me. Oh, I hit my head! Trisha, I think I have a minor head injury. You take it from here.
He's on crack.
Do you know what this is? Oh, do you see this doggy? Do you see
It's
the
a
head?
sex buddy.
Do you see the head? Do you want to see the other side? Whoa!
That would be a sex buddy.
No, it won't. Hey, it's dark outside.
We should end it.